This year, the holidays are going to be different. We're going to be meeting our friends and coworkers online for holiday parties. So today I am here with Rachel Bellew. She's a makeup artist here in LA, and she's going to be showing us some great makeup tips for being on camera.
Yeah, so today I'm going to show you 3 holiday looks that are super easy and will look great in your holiday Zoom parties. Our first step is to prep the skin. My favorite primer is the Oxygenetics Hydro Matrix. It creates a smooth base under your foundation. Our next step is the foundation. I love using the Oxygenetics foundation. It looks natural on camera and is great for everyday use because it's actually good for your skin. It's a buildable foundation and I like to apply it with a brush for a fuller coverage. When you're on camera, your face can look flat. My favorite trick is to take a foundation that's 2 shades darker and create dimension in the face. I start by following the hairline and going into the hollows of the cheeks. Then I bring it down the bridge of the nose. The first look is so simple yet so classy. Just add some mascara to define your eyes and pop on a red lip. Now that we have our base, I like to pair a red lip with a rose gold eye. Don't be afraid to bring the shimmer to your lower lash line to make your eyes pop. If you like a dewy look or want to combat winter dryness, you can use a lightweight facial oil, like this one from Isa Lazo. It can be worn underneath, mixed in, or on top of your foundation. Today I'm putting it on top. I like using my finger to tap it on, then blend it out with a sponge. It wouldn't be the holidays without some glitter. Next I'm going to be adding a glitter pigment to the lids. You can use your fingers to avoid getting glitter in your eyes or on your cheeks. I hope these makeup tips helped inspire you to create fun makeup looks at home.
We wish you and yours a safe and happy holiday season.